So here we are right now with the Supreme Court that heard a case versus Louisiana versus Callais this past Wednesday. So this is what these criminals in the White House is basically trying to do right now, is basically steal the midterm election. This is what they want to do now, because they know if people get out and do what they need to do during this midterm, they wouldn't have a chance. But this is what they have to do. They have to come in, steal. Can't do it the right way, but just got to steal, just do crooked things, the whole 9 yards. So the Supreme Court is going to eventually have to rule on this, with them trying to gut the Voting Rights Act. So basically what they want to do is take out Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, which basically will give the Republicans 19 seats, which in these areas, basically that was predominantly black areas, minority areas where black people, brown people voted at. So they want to go in, gut this, take this away, get these 19 seats that they truly are not entitled to, but this is what they want to do. And the test is here to see exactly what the Supreme Court is going to do, how they are going to rule in this. That is going to be the test. That is going to be the test. That is going to let Black Americans, Black people, know exactly what's what. Hello, good people. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. And if you are new, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Martha. Yeah, so this is going to really let Black Americans, let Black people know exactly where this Supreme Court head is. Because if they go in and rule this in favor of this administration, it's going to be all over. It's going to be all over for Black and brown people here in the United States. It's going to be over because they basically are going to be handing them 19 seats. 19 seats. But this is what they do. They have to steal, kill, and destroy everything because they know they can't win the right way. They know they can't. This is what they are good at. But for the Supreme Court to have to rule on something like this now, this is really going to let the American people know exactly what's what. That these people are bought and paid for. Because I just cannot see these people just going in and just tearing up the voting rights for these criminals. But then again, they have been doing some crazy things since this man has been in office. The Supreme Court has. So this is going to let everyone know exactly where the Supreme Court stands with Black Americans, Black people, minority people, the whole 9 yards. Absolutely, without a doubt. Comment below and tell me what your thoughts are on this, because I cannot wait until they make a decision on this. Not sure when it's going to happen because they just heard it Wednesday. So it could take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, who knows? But it will let us know exactly where the Supreme Court stands with Black Americans. Comment below and tell me what your thoughts are on this. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out my next video because I think you will enjoy it.